Dzień dobry. Good afternoon, everybody. Just another day in Poland. Yes. I just finished school today, and then I've got appointment with my friends. We will have a coffee meeting actually in the area of a park Wilsona, and behind me is the Palmiernia. It's like a glass house where there are so many plants inside. And I was there before. Maybe next time I will go there again. There's so many tropical plants there, and highly recommend it whenever you want to visit. And behind also nice coffee shop. But today I would like to take you to the place that my friends book. Actually, it's called Petit Paris. Yeah, Petit Paris is everywhere. I love going out for the coffee shop, coffee and cake, and talking with my friends. Yeah, but today I will stroll around also in this area in Lazar's district, and this is also one of my favorite parks in Poznan. There are so many beautiful parks, but currently because of already autumn and winter is coming soon, as you see that the trees already different shape, different colors. So yeah, let's see. And here is the park. Yeah, winter is coming soon. So the coffee shop is actually over there, next to, I think that it used to be like a stage, you know, with the performance concert or something like that. Yeah, but today I will go to this coffee shop, Petit Paris. This place is so luxury, fancy, and many people are here actually. Oh, looks the cake. And the pastries really look so good. Nice. And look at the place, so busy and packed. And I like the design of the building. Just like this. So pretty. Okay, everywhere is full. I order my hot cappuccino and croissant. Feels like in Paris. So looks like in Petit Paris. Oh, nice, very nice and busy. This coffee shop is a very cute place, and no wonder then you know why so many people are coming here. It's so packed, busy. That was a very nice coffee shop. So I was talking with my friend, and they are thinking that we are just students. Well, what I can see that nice, a brand new coffee shop, and then fancy. I just paid coffee and my croissant about 21 sote or something like that. For me, it's simply nice experience and ambience, and also yes, the most important thing is that meeting my friends, you know, like once a week, talking, and then for me it's nice. And I just love because one of the waiter who served us, very nice guy, very good English, and very warm hospitality. Who said that police people, they are not friendly? I don't know. Until now, I live here for about almost 8 months. I feel like, you know, everywhere I go, people are nice to me. You know, as long as you are being nice to them, they will be nice to you. So maybe, you know, if you just go to Zapka, yes, you know, they just like, you know, dzień dobry, Cisco, aplikacja, kartą, gotówka, that's it. Here in the restaurant, you will feel that nice warm hospitality actually. Alright, so now I'm in a park Wilsona, and then I'll stroll around. I'll show you how it is. This is one of my favorite park in the Lazar's district. The coffee shop is over there, and here is the park Wilsona. Look at the tree. Nice. And that's the small waterfall. Ah, this tree is so cute. It's a very beautiful park, isn't it? And then now I'm heading to the Afena because I need to go shopping. So yeah, I don't know, I just simply like this park, peaceful. So what I feel today is just like I don't know how to describe it. I just feeling happy, meeting friends after school. And today also I talked to one of the teachers at the school, talking so many things about how was Poland in the past, how is Poland now. And one of our history teachers, there are so many teachers, right, at school. One of them talking to me like, a long time ago, that in Poland, whenever you want to go to shopping, you have to have a coupon during the communist era. Like you buy the meat, you have to wait for the coupon or ticket, and then you will wait in the queue. But nowadays Poland is getting better and better, so you can go wherever you like, even you can go shopping without ticket anymore. So I asked, do you like Poland in the past or you like Poland now? Of course, I like Poland now. And I can see that, from last time when we were on the trip with Damian, and Damian even like, oh my god, there are so many nice and beautiful roads now in Poland, because long time ago it was not like this. Oh, look at these ducks, birds, whatever you see. Beautiful. Haha. I asked Damian why the ducks or birds in Poland, they are so quiet and elegant. You know what Damian answered? Because the ducks in Bali, especially next to my father's rice field, they will be cooked as bebek goreng. Meanwhile, the ducks or the birds here like this, they live freely and happily. Okay. So I was in the Park Wilsona, and then I walk through Glukoska Street, and that is the main train station and Afena. So this is how it looks during 3-4 p.m. Yeah. Oh, there's gonna be something here. I think that it's gonna be the Christmas market. Interesting. I like this mural art. So cute. Miłego Poznania. Okay, so that's over there is a Dworzec, Avenida, and the mall, and that's behind the building in the Noble 9 Tower is the school. So like I told you, this is my daily work, daily place to go. Just arrived in Avenida Mall. Mall again, shopping again. Okay, so I just bought my face cream because it's getting drier because it's very cold. And yeah, I decided just to go to the mall closer by. And I like to be in the mall because warmer and also nice to sightseeing. Friend asked me like, why Poznan? There are so many cities, big cities in Poland, Wrocław, Kraków, Warsaw, Gdansk. Why Poznan? For me, Poznan is a little bit of everything. You have river, you have lake, you have malls. For me, malls is important. And you have a green lush everywhere. And also the traffic jam is not that so congested. And I don't know, I just simply also like the friendliness of the people here. Whenever you meet the people here, for me it's easy to get to make friends here. And I think that every big cities is actually has a traffic congestion, but I think and when I experienced that the traffic congestion in Poznan is still manageable rather than other big cities. Yeah, nowadays Damian and I, when we see a big traffic jams, we just feel like cannot cope with that anymore. And one thing that I see is that Polish people also really like to have a coffee outside. You know, just like today when I was in the Petit Paris, I and my friends were thinking like, how about we are together and make a coffee shop or something like that, right? Because we are all like drinking coffee outside. And Damian yesterday, she said that you going out for coffee every single day. Really, the winter collection is just like so many options. I will get crazy if I stay here longer. So yeah, I think that's all my video today, guys. Another day in Poznan, Poland. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. It's time to go home.